Hello kids, good morning. Hope that you all are fine and studying well at your home. So kids, today I am back again with our online session. Kids, today we will do one activity together, okay? And the name of the activity is germination. The name of the activity is germination. 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 So kids, do you all know what is germination? Okay. Okay, I will tell you. Germination is the process in which a seed grows into a plant. Yes, germination is a process by which a seed grows into a plant. How? You want to see how a seed grows into a plant? Let's see it with an activity. Let's start our activity now, okay? So kids, our today's activity is germination. And for the process of germination, for our activity, the materials required are one jar. You can take any jar or any pot that is useless, okay, at your home. And you have to take some sprouts, okay, or you can take seeds of any plant or any pulse, okay. Now kids, we will take some soil from our garden, okay, and we will put the soil into our pot or jar, okay. We will add some water into this, okay. We will add some water into this. We will add some water to our sprouts, okay, and soak it into the water for around 24 hours, okay. We will keep these sprouts soaked into the water for 24 hours or more than that, so that little radicle would come out from our sprouts, okay. Now let us put some water into our sprouts and we will keep it, okay, for 24 hours. We can close it with any cloth, okay. We can cover this with any cloth that will be of cotton. Now kids, we will keep these sprouts soaked into the water for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, we will see that the sprouts have swollen up as they have absorbed water. And after 24 hours, we will see that small radicals of white color have came out from these sprouts. See here, these are the radicals of the sprout. Now we will take the pot that is filled with soil, okay, and then we will plant our sprout into this, okay. See here, we will make some space and we will plant our sprout into this, you can see it, and then we will again cover it with soil, okay. We will plant few more sprouts into this. We will plant 3 to 4 sprouts like this, okay, and cover the sprouts with soil, okay. Done. Very good. Now we will add some water into this, okay. we will add some water into this. After planting the sprout, we have to add some water, okay, every day. After few days, we will see that little saplings have grown from those sprouts. See here. From this activity, we have learned that seeds grow in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. We have also observed that plants always need soil to grow. Plants always need soil to grow. Now kids, you all have seen how a seed grows into a plant. So, do this activity at your home. This is the process of germination. Okay, I will be waiting to see how your plant looks like. Okay, take care everyone. Thank you.